In this lecture, we will learn how to generate a complex sine wave in Python. First, we need to import all the necessary Python modules for generating the complex sine wave. These modules are NumPy, Matplotlib.pplot, and from Matplotlib we have to import style. Let's run this cell to import all the required modules in Python. Next, we set the parameters of the complex wave. We want to generate the complex wave from 0 to 10 seconds with 100 samples. This will be our time index. The frequency of the complex wave is 50, the amplitude is 1, and theta is 0. We set the amplitude to 1 and theta to 0 for simplicity. Now, how do we generate the sine wave? This is a complex sine wave, not a real sine wave. We use the equation we learned in the previous video, which is theory-based. The equation is np.exponent minus j2pft plus theta. Here theta is 0. You can also set a different value for theta, but for the first complex sine wave, we set it to 0, the amplitude a is 1, and all terms go in the exponent. So we have minus j2 pi ft plus theta. This is how we generate a complex sine wave. Next, we plot the wave. We select the figure size and a dark background. We plot the real part of the complex wave in blue and the imaginary part in magenta. Let's run this cell and observe the real and imaginary parts simultaneously. This is our complex sine wave. The blue line is the real part, which is the cosine wave, and the magenta line is the imaginary part, which is the sine wave. One important observation is the difference between the sine and cosine waves. The sine wave starts from 0, so its magnitude is 0 when time is 0, while the cosine wave starts at its maximum amplitude when time is 0. The sine and cosine waves are 90 degrees out of phase. When the imaginary part, the sine wave, is at its maximum, the real part, the cosine wave, is before it. Similarly, when the real part is at its maximum, the imaginary part is at its minimum. They move simultaneously but with a 90-degree phase difference. We can also change the phase angle. For example, if we set theta equal to numpy.pi divided by 2, which is 90 degrees, we introduce a 90-degree phase difference. With this phase shift, the sine wave starts like a cosine wave. By applying theta equal to numpy.pi divided by 2, the complex sine wave is shifted 90 degrees, and the real part, cosine, which was previously at its maximum when there was no phase difference, now starts from 0. You can experiment with different values of theta and amplitude to see how the complex sine wave behaves and how the real and imaginary parts move simultaneously.